Good afternoon, everyone. How is everybody? What do we have here? We have a beauty here, folks. A Carfax certified 2-owner, low mileage, 66,000 miles, 2018 Audi S4, 3-liter turbo, 6-cylinder, 0 to 60, 4.4 seconds, 19-inch wheels. Owner's manual is present. Daytona gray metallic with red interior. Look at this thing. Massage seats, heated seats, lumbar support. Digital climate control for rear and front. So let's start with the engine. We do our walk around and then we start closing up. Absolute beauty. There she is. This is how they run when they are happy. One happy 3-liter S4. Okay, let's close it up. Plenty of photos is going to be on the website, so you guys can zoom in, zoom out, whatever you like. Over 100 photos will be there. Suede on the doors, carbon fiber all the way around on the dash. Massage, driver, passenger, owner's manual, cross-stitch leather. Folks, she is loaded. Electric parking brake. There are so many things you can do with your dash and different selections for the drive mode. So like you can change that screen to a different set, like different view. I'll show you it's on the other side. So nothing funny. One gorgeous interior, monster mats. Let's go to the passenger rear door. Nothing funny. Clean unit. If she's not clean, she won't be here. Sunroof, yes, it's tilted right now. LED tail lights. Quad exhaust tips. Floor mats. Driver's side rear door. Cup holders in the armrest. Settings for the rear for the climate control. Driver door, memory seat, yes, carbon fiber, mirrors, power windows, trunk. That's for your massage. That's for your lumbar support. Back and forth, height and recline. Headlights are on right now. So right here, there's so much you can do. And I guarantee you I'm gonna miss a million of them. But if you were to say view, you can just change the whole screen. And what you see in the middle you can change also with all this stuff right here. Bluetooth, volume, radio, nav, everything right there. Full telescoping steering wheel, in and out, up and down. Folks, she's just gorgeous. I mean, low mileage, absolute beauty. Absolute beauty. Cruise control right there. Yeah, pedal shifters, of course. I mean, you're in a performance car. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna close this up. Again, plenty of photos is gonna be on the website. 19-inch rims. Tires are new. Runs, drives absolutely beautiful. 3-liter turbo, 0 to 60, 4.4 seconds. That is stock. The sky is the limit with these. The Audi guys will know what I'm talking about. I mean, there is so much performance you can get out of this block. It is crazy. Nothing funny. TrimaxAuto.com, 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. He'll be happy to help you guys out. Sales, service, and finance. If you purchase the vehicle from us, you do get discounted labor rate for life for all your vehicles that is in the family. That's about it. This will be uploaded shortly. What else did we upload today? Oh, a E400 coupe, another 3-liter turbo, white with red, just got uploaded with 90,000 miles. This thing is really low miles. Yeah, most likely we'll put this one in the showroom, or the E400, I don't know. But yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to call us, 757-222-0522. We've been doing this since 2007, thanks to you guys. Thank you for all the support. We really mean it from the bottom of our hearts. We take care of our customers, and our customers keep sending us business. Thank you to all of the out-of-state customers as well. We really appreciate you guys. We are here if you need us. Thank you.